Okay, welcome to my video. Today I want to talk about how to make money online. 28 real ways to earn money online. From online lottery to stuffing envelopes at home, there are lots of popular get rich quick money making ideas that will pop up. Do they work? Not really. Will you make money doing that? Maybe, but you probably make money from your 9 to 5 job. At least then it's a guaranteed paycheck. The trust is there a real way to make money online? Millions of people are doing it each day, from freelance digital nomads to survey marketing to rising entrepreneurs. There are plenty of business idea you can try at home using your laptop and a solid internet connection. So let's break down some real way to make money online. Okay, first is start drop shipping. Let's start our list off with one of the most popular way to make money online. According to Google Trend, dropshipping popularity is rising, highlights its variability as a business idea, which success stories about how an entrepreneur makes $6,667 in 8 weeks on how to store owner make a six-figure selling just one product. There are plenty of proof that dropshipping is a real way to make money online. If you don't know how dropshipping is, it's a business model where you sell a product to a customer, but the supply store, packaging, and shipping the product to your customers on your behalf. With Shopee dropshipping, you have access to millions of products that you can add to your store. Some Shopify dropshipping apps allow you to check out and handpick your product image, edit item description, and give your business a personalized vibe. So people will love shopping with you. The best way to make money dropshipping. The most entrepreneurs have been focusing on a few marketing strategies. First is running Facebook ads. Second is having influencer promote their product. Third is sending direct message or DMs to potential customer on social media. Ready to start store but need product to sell? Handshake with where online entrepreneurs go to buy product at wholesale price. Okay, for the next is try print on demand. Print on demand or POD is another popular way to earn money online. Many individuals have adopted this business model because it has lower overhead than other business. Prints on demand is similar to drop shipping in the sense that you doesn't need to carry inventory of shipping our products to customer yourself. There are two slight different thoughts. First, you can make your own custom product, which is great for brand recognition. Second, you can choose from specific item rather than a vast range of category. Most print-on-demand companies offer products that are easy to print on, like t-shirt, mugs, and tote bags. The best way to make money with your print on demand business, free marketing channels. You your best bet would be to promote your product for free on Instagram and print rents and talk social media influencers who convert their audience well. You can get a complete overview of print of demand versus dropshipping by watching us get into healthy debates the wholesale TED about the pros and cons of each business model. 3. Make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular way to make money online. Uh, throughout the year, its popularity has gone up and down, but it continues to be a stable way to earn through the internet. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you choose from a vast range of company to partner with, including Shopify, Amazon, Uber, and FabFitRuns. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a living by promoting other brands. If you are a self-ready marketing, you can earn a commission from sales by promoting retail products, software, apps, and more. While earning a commissioning may be small, keep in mind that you can be an affiliate for several brands and include several affiliate link on the single blog post. If you really want to make money online doing affiliate marketing, your best bet is to focus on content marketing by building up a blog with several pages of high quality content. You create an asset you can call your own strategy. Place affiliate link in your blog post to drive traffic to your affiliate partner website. For the next, number 4 is starting a YouTube channel. If other can make money from YouTube, you can too. So can you. The highest paid YouTuber is Jimmy Donaldson, aka Mr. Beast, who upload Blizzard's Tan on his YouTube channel, which make him 54 millions in 2021. Another higher earned is Jack Paul, who made 45 million on YouTube by sharing high energy prank video and boxing content. His YouTube and boxing career fame helped him use his influence to make money online beyond his YouTube earnings. Your YouTube channel should focus on a single niche so you can build a stronger, loyal audience. For example, you can create makeup tutorials, streaming video games, review product, teach skill, create prank video, or anything else you think there are be audience for. The secret to making money on YouTube is to create content that people want. Create weekly headlines to entice people to watch your video, to use keywords in your description to optimize your YouTube search. Once you are reach the 1000 subscriber milestone, you can only monetize your channel with YouTube ads. Okay, that's all for me from this video. Thank you very much.